if you're on a budget this Christmas and you wanted to go from something like this empty bowl to some decoration like this, I would say pop over to Poundland and you might be surprised at what you can do. Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Adeola Mosaku, and if you're new here, welcome to the community of Know About It. I talk about things you might not know about. I talk about organizing, I talk about design, I also do review products. Today's video is going to be different because it's that time of the year. It's that time of the year when it is Christmas. I like to spend time with my family, shower them with love, and anyone around me for that matter. So you can do that. I know that most of us will normally do a lot of shopping around this time of the year, but you can do it on a budget, and Poundland is absolutely brilliant. I'm going to show you how you can decorate your home for under £10. So I'm going to be showing you today how to create a open snow globe using all this stuff I've got from Poundland. Up first we have Santa here, and you will need some confettis. You can have different colors from Poundland, but I'm going to go for the red one. Also, you have the snow confettis as well, which are quite good. You would also need a snow spray, so that would also use to glue on the confettis, and butter stoppers, which are really good. They've been using them in different types of butters. They look really cute. You can see the butter in the middle of it there, but we are going to use it in our bowl today. And definitely, last but not least, you're going to need a bowl, like a cocktail bowl like this one. It is plastic. It's only about £1 in Poundland, so it's really good. So let's see what we need to do. So I'm going to open this up and then figure out what we're going to do with it. I've never done this before, so let's have some fun. So first things first, you want to take out, want to take out this little plastic on here so it can come on when you do put it on, like that. So I've taken mine out for this one, so it would come on so you can see the lights. Switch it off, and you have to kind of untie it a little bit and just put it in the bowl. So I'm going to use both of them because I really do want it to glow up everywhere. So I'm going to put that there. I am also going to untie this one a little bit. It's a bit fiddly, this one. It doesn't need to be in any particular order, so you can just untie it like that and put it in there. Okay, and then I'm going to turn it on. Turn it on. Next thing, I'm going to put Father Christmas in there. I'm going to drop him in there like this. I don't think he's going to stand. Oh, he's standing. And drop some snow on him. So this is fake snow. I think we're going to need quite a lot. Drop it all around him. Like that. Use a bag. Just kind of let him sit comfortably in there. For the Christmas is in snow, and then all you need is a little bit of spray. This snow spray basically just allows this confettis to stay on it. So I'm just going to spray it a little bit. Actually, I didn't see that coming. Spray all around here as well. Okay, and then we're going to pour a little bit of this in there. Let's chop it all like that. Okay, not sure if it's sprayed good. There you go, and then that will stick. This can be quite messy, and that's because I put in the snow confettis first before putting the spray. So be warned, what I would do next is put the snow spray first so you get that effect of it's kind of like Christmas, and then put your confettis in there and then spray it again to put your confettis, the red ones, on top of here. So lesson learned. But I think it's quite a good and very easy craft to do during Christmas. You could do it with your kids. I think they would like it. You can put it in different areas of your house. This is under £10. I bought everything for about £7 there and about. So you can put this just by your tree, and I'm going to show you what it looks like next to my tree. So this is my tree, and no, it's not from Poundland, it is from Amazon. It's such a small Christmas tree, and it's really, really cute. I really, really like it. I like the color. I just think I wanted something a little bit different from rose gold all over my kitchen. So this is what I went for from Amazon. I'll also have the link below for you at the description if you wanted to get anything like this. They've got loads on Amazon. And then I got this little cutie also from Poundland. It is just so beautiful, and I think it would really just complement the tree if you put it right there and allow snow glow to stay here. So I think that looks a little bit lonely over there. So this is the complete look at the moment. Let me know what you think in the comments below. So we've gone from an empty bowl like this to something crafty and Christmassy like this, and you can do the same if you head over to Poundland and you go to their Christmas section. You might be able to find a lot of things that you can use to create a really nice craft for Christmas. So this is my Christmas craft on a budget. I know it's been a tough one, 2020, but I still like the idea of decorating during Christmas. So if I've motivated you, let us know in the comments below. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments below. And if you've liked this video, give us a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed already, do click the subscribe button and also click the bell next to it. That will give you some notifications when I do make a new video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let's get into the Christmas spirit and see you in my next video.